Guys, I want to use this opportunity to show you a little project I built using the Django. This is an e-commerce application, as you can see. It's just a simple e-commerce application with simple dashboard, most view products. If you can also view the products and you will see related items over here. You can add to wish list or you can also add to cart. Let's assume you want to add to wish list. Then you click you have not logged in, then you can now log in. We are logging as a normal user. When I'm done, I will show you the admin dashboard of this awesome project. Now I'm logging in as a normal user. Okay, I have logged in as a normal user. I already have one item added to cart already. You can add to wish list, and the same product you added to wish list, if you want to add to cart, it will automatically remove it from wish list. That means you have added it to cart. You can also view all products based on their category. We also have categories drop down over here. You can as well go to your cart. These are your products. You can update from here. As you can see, you can continue shopping or you can proceed to checkout. If you proceed to checkout, this is your shipping address. You can still update your shipping address from this place, and you can now check out with PayPal. Let's assume we are checking out with PayPal. I click on PayPal, pay with PayPal. It will redirect me to PayPal, where I can now log in with my PayPal credentials. Okay, this is the amount, $1,300. Now I can now click on continue to review order. Then when the payment is done, it will bring me back to the website. So as you can see, say payment successful. Thank you, John Doe. That is PayPal username, your transaction ID, amount you paid, $1,300, my email address, PayPal email address, description, payment for test products. Okay, so now as you can see, it has already removed the product from cart because user had already purchased the item. Now I am going to log out as a normal user and log in as an administrator so that you see how the admin dashboard works. It's also simple. There is nothing complicated. So I am logging out. I want to log in as an admin. Okay, this is simple admin dashboard. You can visit site from here. You can add product, which is easy and simple. You can view all the products. You can also add your categories and subcategories. Here you can also add category. This is order. You see, the name is user. Currency is USD. Amount paid, the one we just paid now. The email, this is the email. So you can follow this and now get the shipping address, contact the buyer, and automatically you can ship his or her products to them. It's just easy and simple. I can do a lot of things here. I just build it for building purposes. So if you want, then you can request for the source code, which I can attach on the description below. Thank you so much and remain blessed. One love.